In this video, I'll detail how to turn off time sensitive on iPhone. So this is a time sensitive notifications on your iPhone that notifies you whenever you have a notification to respond to on your iPhone. So you can choose to disable or turn off the time sensitive on your iPhone, or let the time sensitive remain on your iPhone. So this is based on preference, but by default, time sensitive notification on your iPhone will be turned on. So here, I'm going to show you how you can quickly turn off time sensitive on iPhone. So if you don't know this video, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do here to disable time sensitive on iPhone is go to your iPhone settings. So while on the settings page, you just need to select the application whose time sensitive you want to turn off. So if you're using iOS 17 or earlier, you should see the application on this page. On iOS 18, you need to go to the apps page to access all your application on your iPhone. Now select the application whose time sensitive you want to turn off. So let's say I want to turn off Facebook app time sensitive for my iPhone. Just click on Facebook. Then once you selected Facebook, come here and tap notifications. Now under notifications, you should see always deliver immediately. Then under that, you should see what is called time sensitive notifications. Now to turn off or disable your iPhone time sensitive notifications, all you just need to do is toggle on this feature. Then that's going to disable Facebook time sensitive notifications on your iPhone. Now to turn off all time sensitive notifications on your iPhone, you need to repeat the same process for all applications you have installed on your iPhone. So repeat the process for all the application whose time sensitive you want to disable. You see this? So also check the Instagram application, your WhatsApp, go to notifications and turn off time sensitive notifications on your iPhone. So that is the quickest and the easy way to turn off time sensitive on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.